guys, welcome back to my channel. Daisy here. If you guys want to know how to achieve this look, just go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go. Bye. Alrighty guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and we're gonna go ahead and place it all over our eyelid, just so that our eyeshadow can stay intact and stay all day long. You can use any concealer that you have. It doesn't have to be necessarily the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Alrighty guys, we're going to be going in with the palette. I'm going to be taking the color Morocco. It is like a burnt orange color. We're going to go ahead and apply this all over our crease. And what you want to do, you want to make sure that you get the color in there completely. As you keep on blending, make sure you reapply so that you can get the nice orange color, since this is going to be our transition shade. Alrighty, and up next we're gonna be taking the color Jezebel. I don't know how to say it, so bear with me here. It's more like a maroon burgundy color. You're gonna go ahead and reapply it there, just beneath below the orange color, so it's gonna be still on the crease. Just go ahead and keep on blending and make sure that it looks well with the orange all together, and keep reapplying as needed. And here I'm just taking back my blending brush and reapplying Morocco on top, just to make sure that we get that orange color in there and it doesn't get lost between all the maroon colors. Then we're going to be going back with the concealer, and we're going to be creating a cut crease. Then we're going to go ahead and take the color Nairobi. This is a yellow eyeshadow color. No duh, Daisy. This is a yellow tone color. You're just going to want to keep reapplying this yellow color on your lid until you get the right amount of color that you're most comfortable with. I like the color to be poppin', you know, so I just want to keep reapplying some more. We're going to go back with the color Jezebel. This, we're going to be using it on our lower lash line, and we're going to be using this as our bottom liner. Then I'm going to be taking my Max Fix Plus, and I'm going to be reapplying with the color Nairobi, only because I didn't like how the color wasn't really standing out, so I wanted it to be a little bit more brighter. Then I'm going to be applying my lashes. These are Eylure. I just got whichever lashes that I could find, and I went to go ahead and apply them. Then I went to go ahead and grab my mascara, and I put a little bit on there just so I can get a little bit more volume. Then of course my lower lash line, I used the Maybeline Colossal, I'm not sure how to say it, for my lower lash line. I like this one because it really separates my lower lashes. I've tried many different ones, and this one's just my favorite. Then we're going to be going with our foundation. I'm using the Nars full coverage foundation. I'm not sure the full name of it, but it is the Nars foundation. This one I bought it a little while ago, and I'm really loving the way it looks. It gives it that full coverage. This one, I think it's a little bit light for my skin tone, but once I apply the blush and the bronzer, it evens everything out. So I really like the way this one looks on me. Next, I'll be applying some concealer on. This is the Tarte Shape Tape foundation. Girl, this is a concealer. I'm going to be reapplying under the eyes and on my forehead and basically all the T-zone. Then I'm going to be taking the Airspun loose face powder. I can't talk today, y'all, I swear. And I'm going to be applying it under my eyes and on the T-zone as well. And then I'm going to be taking the Cheek Parade palette. And I'm going to be taking the bronzer Hoola. And I'm going to be applying it to contour my face. And you want to make sure you apply this on your below your cheekbones, on your jawline, and on the forehead, on top of the what's it called, the hairline. We're gonna go in with the Morphe palette blush, and this is called Provocative. This is more like an orangey tone, and I really like how this looks, by the way. I'm really liking this color so far. And you're just gonna make sure you apply some. You don't want to put too much because then it's gonna look really orange. I made that mistake the first time. Then we're gonna go back and wipe off all the loose face powder underneath the eyes and on the jawline. I'm going to be taking the Morphe highlighting palette with the BretmanRock collaboration. This palette is awesome, you guys. It is called Babe in Paradise, and I took the color Get Laid. Then I took the Sephora lip liner in color Rose Wine and the NYX Lippy in color LIPLI 12. And also on top of that, I applied the Adesse New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick. It didn't have a name of the color, but I'll go ahead and put the description down below for you guys. And this concludes our full face tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for next week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and leave a comment down below to show some love. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.